Hi everyone, I'm Laura Heigl with the Heigl Real Estate Group in Century 21 Scheetz. We are your key to the finest homes. I'm in Carmel today at 11602 Eden Glen Drive. This is a gorgeous classic custom home. It's been beautifully updated. It's about 5,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, walkout basement, an acre. Yes, an acre right in the heart of Carmel. These yards, the decks, everything is gorgeous outside. So that's what we're really here to see. If you want to see the inside, check out the Zillow video because I've got that too. Or give us a call and we'll set up a showing for you. So right now, let's go take a look at what we've got outside.